the test for the heli. Currently it's very windy. Okay, now I'm doing the gyro calibration. Alright, starting the rotor. Okay, I'm gonna use the, now I'm in the low speed, the lower speed, and then I'm trying to check the hours. Now is 15:47. Let's see how long that the battery will last. Okay, I'm gonna use the one button takeoff. All right. Currently it's very windy. It's very windy. Oh, very windy. Now I'm pushing full throttle to the forward to fight the wind. I don't know how much the wind speed, but I can tell you it's really windy. You can see from the tree leaf. Now I didn't do anything. Full throttle to the front. Okay, let's try the high speed. Oh, this is high speed. It's getting far from me. This is again the highest speed, full throttle. I think I'm gonna land it. As you guys can see, this is the wind speed. Yeah. Let's try again. You can see how far that I drifted from the takeoff zone. Okay, I'm gonna try to fly again. This is again a full throttle to the forward. Oh my god. Should I say should I adjust the trim? No, I don't think so, because this is because of the strong wind. I'm doing some excessive maneuver here. Maybe today is not the good day to fly this. Oh, down a little bit. Okay, currently snowing. Snowing. There's a wind again. Actually, all the while I'm pushing the throttle forward at all time. Maybe I should try again at another time during no wind. Too low to my face. Oh, okay, there's a little bit. Okay, currently it's no wind. Try to play around with the control. It's fun. Again, this is a high speed control. Let's see look at that closely. There, the winds come again. The battery out. Yep, the battery out. And now is 14 minutes. the battery out. Right guys, so yeah, don't have any much extra battery for this. Alright guys, just gonna let the youngster with the motor pass for me. These people always like to make their motorcycle so loud. It's very irritating. Alright guys, so I don't have any much battery for this. I only have one set of battery. After this I'm going to try to charge it and then see how much long that I'm gonna need to charge the battery. I reckon 1 hour, and then if that the case, then I'll try to fly again next time on a video. Maybe I try to fly in the morning with less wind, so that we can see how much this helicopter maneuver, and then how fun is it. For now I cannot really say much because of the wind so strong for me to play it. Very hard to control because of the I keep need to push throttle forward at all time, full throttle actually, and with high speed setting as well. So yeah, I need to try again with another condition where there no wind in the area. So I guess that's it for today video. I will fire this another time using the same battery. Maybe I get more extra battery, and then yeah, maybe see if we can fly it much more better during less wind in the area. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Yeah, now this is the battery, only 1%, 1 indicator left. So I tried to charge it using my portable power station. Let's see how long it gonna takes me to charge it. Alright, now it's charging. It has been 30 minutes charging, and the battery status is still at the second bar, not even half, I think. So I think I'm not gonna wait here, and then we fly on another time. Right guys, thank you.